Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a drawing challenge again. So what I'm decided that we're going to do is we're going to do the mixed an animal drawing challenge. Seizyan doesn't know what. Oh yes, a fusion, animal fusion. What? So in this hat we have tons of different animals, and we're going to pick two of them and mix them together and draw them. So, who wants to go first? You want to pick
Me.
first? Okay, you pick first.
Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Come and look at it.
And then choose one more.
I don't know.
And so we're going to look at it ourselves. Don't show the other player.
Oh no! I can see it right here. Oh no!
Ooh, okay.
No.
And the amount of time that we have is going to be 10 minutes? Do you want 10 minutes? We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go! So we finished before the time ended, so we're gonna show our pictures now. Here's mine. It's a snail.
A zebra and a snail.
Yeah, it's a zebra and a snail fusion.
Oh my gosh, I like that.
Okay, so again, what's yours? Oh, it's a cat key.
A cat key.
The name of it is a cat key.
A cat key.
Here's the cat key, and here's the snail. Time to choose our next one. Okay. Okay, got one. You get one now. Okay.
Gosh, I love this
What?
one.
We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go. We stopped at 5 minutes. Okay, so my fusion is a flamish. It's a flamingo and a fish fusion.
Oh, that is so cute. A mig.
A mig?
A pig and a mouse. Don't judge.
Oh, I see now. Okay. Here's my flamish, and here's Seizyan's mig.
Mig.
What about a mouse?
That's bad.
Pick one. Pick one.
You're crazy. I can't do it.
Okay, you pick one again. Pick one again.
How can you be so good at it?
Okay. Oh, great.
Oh my gosh, great!
Oh, even better. Go.
I can't do it.
Okay, the time's up, and now Seizyan, start drawing things.
Oh, I'm waiting.
Here's mine. It's a bird and a snake fusion, and the name of it is absurd. Absurd.
Mine's easy to say. It's called a giraffe. A giraffe. It's called a giraffe.
Giraffe.
A dog and a giraffe.
Here's your things. It's a giraffe and absurd. 4 more things left. I'll pick mine. You go, Seizyan.
Oh.
Okay. You go, Seizyan.
Oh
Oh my gosh! I got my
I feel so
favorites.
bad for mine. Yay!
In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, time's up.
It's called a bunfly.
A bunfly? What is it? What's the fusion? A bunny and a
Bunny
butterfly?
and a butterfly.
A bunny and a butterfly. Mine's is a unicorn. It's a unicorn and a dragon. So here's me and Seizyan and I's, me and Seizyan's fusions, unicorn and bunfly. Anyway guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure to like this video and comment which ones you liked and subscribe. Love you my zebras. Good. Bye.
Like mine!
Like mine.
No! Mine! Mine's so beautiful!
Yeah, right.